Premier Truck Group Amarillo, exit 74 right off I-40. We are select truck location. I am Doug Phillips, world's oldest truck salesman. And this is another lightweight Freightliner Cascadia day cab. DD13 450 horse, 10-speed EATON Ultra Shift. It's a 2017 with 537,000 miles on it. It's in excellent condition. Sitting on a great set of tires, sliding fifth wheel. Brakes are in good shape. We PM'd it, we DOT'd it. We got it ready to go. It's got a couple of air ride seats on it. Of course, it's got Jakes. Fifth wheel disconnect. 537, 637 on the miles. Brand new air ride seat we put in it. It's at Premier Truck, your select truck center in Amarillo. I'm Doug Phillips, 806-654-7640. I'll meet you at 3 o'clock in the morning if I know you're coming. Look here, this dang thing's got a 130-gallon fuel tank on it. Give me a call, Doug Phillips, 806-654-7640. Lightweight, Cascadia, old body style, day cab. Thank you.